Hello everyone, I'm Kian Abrahams from DearBlessed.com. I hope you are doing great and enjoying your new life by using this new and divine knowledge. Today, we are going to talk about gratitude, which is a really sweet subject, in my opinion. Gratitude is one of the keys that can open many doors in your life. It is truly the master key in the spiritual and metaphysical realms. Let's start with an example. Imagine you are an employee in a bank and are in charge of giving loans to candidates. What is the first thing you check in a candidate? You check the records to see if the person has any loans already. You check their credit score. And you check if they were able to pay off their previous loans. And, oh boy, we are all in debt. We've taken so many loans to this point and haven't paid anything off. To make things worse, we are unaware that we are so much in debt. We ask for new loans and wonder why our requests are being rejected or cut short. I told you in the previous session that our requests are being answered, and the answer is always yes. So, why can't we receive it? Let me explain it better with the same example. You are in debt to the Bank of the Universe and owe the bank lots of money from your previous loans. You apply for a new and bigger loan. The universe accepts your request and sends it to your account, but you can only reach it if you clear your record. Your request is accepted and your money is there, but you are blocking your way. Remember that you are the only obstacle between you and your wants, desires, yearnings, and wishes. Once you understand this, you can receive and transition from the role of survivor, victim, and powerless person to the creator of your life. Use this affirmation daily. I'm the creator of my life. I'm the creator of my life. Use affirmations as much as possible. When you are walking or driving, bombard your mind with them. Once you change your perspective from outside to inside yourself, you start to see things clearly. Back to the topic. So, what are these uncleared debts? These debts are thanks that we need to pay off if we want to expand our blessing credit score. The reason I love this subject is that it is really easy and the outcomes are amazing. Let's discuss gratitude in the sacred books, how to become grateful, and why gratitude is one of the most powerful spiritual practices. I'll briefly reference some verses and extract some untouched wisdom and laws from them. The first one to show you the importance of gratitude is from the Quran, chapter 7, verses 16 and 17. This verse is a quote from Satan, who is showing off to God his plan for humans and how he is planning to make life on earth and in the hereafter a hell for humanity. He said, "Now, because thou hast sent me astray, verily I shall lurk in ambush for them on thy right path. Then I will come at them from their front and from their rear, and from their right and their left, and you will not find most of them to be grateful." This is the key to being blessed, happy, and prosperous. Satan summarizes all his plans and goals in one word, and that is to make humans ungrateful. If we become ungrateful, it is over for us. Let me explain why using spiritual and metaphysical laws. The universe has three golden and main laws: the law of harmony, vibration, or attraction, the law of focus and attention, and the law of beliefs. These three laws are connected and intertwined. The law of harmony or attraction states that everything in our universe is vibration, even us, and has a unique frequency. Every circumstance, situation, event, and experience has a frequency. If we tap into that frequency, these circumstances, situations, events, and experiences come into our lives, just like tuning a radio to receive a station. The law of belief states that our deep-rooted beliefs are our dominant frequency. For example, if you've been told from childhood that money is the root of all evil and you don't like to be evil, you will be put in situations that confirm this belief and frequency. You'll see and hear everywhere that rich people are evil, how corporations are killing and exploiting everyone, how poor people are good, and if you try to make money, you will fail because your subconscious mind and the universe want to prevent you from becoming evil. It doesn't matter if this belief is true or not, whether money really turns people evil or not. If it is true in your mind, the universe will prove it to you through the law of attraction and harmony by bringing circumstances, situations, events, and experiences into your life that show money is really the root of all evil. The third law is the law of attention and focus. To put it simply, whatever we focus on grows in our lives, and more experiences matching and equivalent to that subject come into our lives. For example, if you are too focused on news about a war, things equivalent to the frequency of war in general will slowly appear in your life and experience. What frequencies are in the concept of war? Destruction, loss, anxiety, fear, cruelty, death, chaos, stress, illness, displacement, hostility, grudge, and more. People usually misunderstand the concept of manifesting here. They claim, "We never thought about the bad experience we had. Why did it manifest in my life then?" The answer is that your focus and attention on another bad frequency brought it in. For example, if you focus on war, you won't experience war yourself, but you might manifest an experience that has the chaos frequency in it, like an accident. This is why we must be aware of what we focus on. What we see on TV, the conversations we have with our friends, and what we follow on social media all affect what we focus on. The subject you focus on manifests in your life. By experiencing it firsthand, your beliefs are reinforced. And stronger belief means stronger attraction, and you will be stuck in a broken cycle of focus, reinforcement, and attraction forever. Let's get back to the subject of gratitude. When you are grateful, you are using all three laws to your advantage simultaneously, and it all starts with your focus. When you want to be grateful for something you already have, you must focus on it. Look for your blessings, and believe me, we are unaware of the billions of blessings we already have because we never focus on them. We usually only realize how valuable they are when we lose them. This focus on blessings will increase the frequency of love, abundance, kindness, forgiveness, sense of worthiness, sense of security, peace, and compassion. In short, we will be in a receiving mode. When you are focused on your blessings and in the receiving mode, you will slowly see new signs of these frequencies in the form of new experiences, people, and circumstances. Slowly, your empowering beliefs will become stronger, and hence, your attraction will shift into your desires. It is a spiritual and universal law that being grateful increases your receiving. The two verses stating this law are Matthew 25:29 and chapter 14, verse 7 in the Quran, which is one of the most famous verses about gratitude. And remember when your Lord proclaimed, "If you are grateful, I will surely increase you. But if you deny indeed, my punishment is severe." I try not to get very deep into the verses in this course, but I need to mention that the grammar and the verb structure of increase indicates a law, a process in the fabric of our universe, just like gravity, weak nuclear force, or electromagnetic force. It is a must. It's not like if you are grateful and practice gratitude, it may or may not result in an increase. There is also a little secret in this verse. God describes the benefit of gratitude by only saying that He will increase you, not specifying in what. That's because gratitude will shift your whole life. It will increase your ability to receive blessings in all aspects, just like how a big bucket will store more water in the rain. There are many practices for gratitude, and I'll introduce you to 2 of them. The first one is really famous and simple. Count your blessings every morning and before sleeping each night. Just write 2 of your blessings, and here's the important part. Write why you are grateful for this blessing, how you feel, and how this blessing has affected your life. This part will help you focus much better. Use the power and magic of writing as much as possible. Write everything about your blessing. It might be hard to start and focus on your blessings, especially if you are in a bad place or frequency, or in a bad state of mind. If it is hard for you to focus on your blessings, ask yourself, how can things get worse? Now, you can see blessings that have become normal and dull. The second practice is my favorite thing to do. Just at any moment of your day, take 2 deep breaths and focus around you. Remind yourself that there is no future or past, and the only real moment is right now. Listen to your surroundings. Focus on how you can breathe with no hardship. Look around yourself and pay attention to the little things around you. Start thanking for little things, like the fact you can hear, you can breathe, the breeze, the sun, the blue sky, for the people and friends around you, the birds singing in the sky, a lamp shining and brightening your room. All these things are created only for you to feel, to live, to love, and be loved. All this universe is an I love you from God to His favorite creations, you. One of the greatest benefits of gratitude is staying in the present moment. Now is the only blessed moment, not tomorrow, not a minute from now. Being present in the now shows that you are doing your practices right. Love you all. Be blessed and grateful.